Mandala's art classes. Today we are going to learn a dot mandala, like something similar to this. So let's start.
Namaskar. So in today's class, we are going to learn how to draw a mandala. Actual mandala word comes from the Sanskrit mandala word, and in Tibetan culture, they draw the full life cycle of Buddha. Originally, they were called the mandala, and that's a very beautiful work. I have a piece from Tibet, original piece from Tibet with actual gold work, in which in a circular form there are different motifs of different age group of Buddha. So childhood till death. But nowadays anything in circular thing like this is called a mandala. So for this we need a scale, compass with pencil, we need protector, thin brush, thick brush, 4 or 6 number, some dotting tools, or we can use any broomstick or any toothpick, one eraser, and of course pencil. So let's start. So we will do one thing. First we will leave the margin on the sides. I have left 2.5 centimeter because framer will need this much space. So on all the 4 sides I have left 2.5 centimeter. Okay, now remaining distance, we are joining the corners and we are drawing a very thin dotted line. Very thin dotted line. Now this line is there. So this is our dotted line because we have to erase all the lines later on. So no point in drawing very dark. Similarly, join these two diagonals and draw another dotted line. Then find out the midpoint. My midpoint is coming at 18. This total length is 42. So midpoint is 21. Here also 21. Here also 21. We'll join all the points, and where this point is existing, that is our point of intersection. Now we have taken the radius of 3, 3.5, then 5, 5.5, 6, 8, 8.5, 10, 10.5. You can exceed as much as your page allows. Accordingly you take. But my suggestion is to leave the space on the sides. Okay, otherwise this whole your hard work will go into the framing. Now after doing this much work, what we are going to do, we will take our protector, we'll place on this one of the diagonal and 90 degree here, then on this line 90 degree. Basically we are dividing it into small segments. And when we are dividing it into small segments, 90 degree we take and then we divide 90 degree into 45, 45, and then each 45 we divide into 22.5. We try to divide as much as small segments possible because then it's easy for us to make the design. Almost all the designs will have the same size. So our design will look like this. This is the basic to draw any mandala. Whether you are drawing dot art mandala or just any other design, any circular design, even for Godana, we did the same thing. Now I have drawn my mandala. This is a circular canvas. Its diameter is 40 centimeter. So what I did, same thing, I do various diagonals. And wherever it was the point of intersection of all the diagonals, there that was the center. From the center, first circle is having radius 0.7 centimeter or 7 millimeter. Just approximately you make. Then whatever values I have written, 3, 3.5, 5, 5.5, 8, 8.5, 10, 10.5, 12, 12.5, and so on. Depending on how big is your canvas or how big is your paper. So what we do, once everything is drawn, then we start drawing the design. I'll paint the design in 1/4 with paint so that you all can understand what is the design. Okay, so I'll paint with black paint now. First step is to give the outline so that we can see what we have drawn. So this is black acrylic paint, and as usual we have water with us, we have tissue with us to wipe the brush. Keep some white paint with you in case if there is any mistake, then we can correct it with white paint. So This is our first circle. Any measurement you take, smaller is better. Then you all have got various divisions. I'm going systematically for each division. I draw one motif. Double line, triangles in this line, and here the empty space will be dots. Semicircle, leaves. Then we have another semicircle, next triangle, again double line. Next is a diamond. After this, again double line. Then we are going to draw 3 petals. So first I'll draw the double line. Now what I'm going to do, I'll apply basic paint first. Okay, so that we know what we are applying, and then we'll follow the same pattern everywhere. Please select the shades of your choice. I like blue color very much. This is blue color. So here we are using dark shade of blue. Any blue, dark, light, whichever you have. Colors are your choice. Next color is red, yellow. After yellow, I'm taking light green of Fevicryl. It's number 12. Our next color is beige color. This is also Fevikryl's color. We have dark pink. Next color, peacock blue. Again, light blue. My canvas is already stretched, means it has a back framing, so I don't have to get it framed. That's why I've not left anything on the sides. But if we are making it on the paper, we have to leave space for the framing. Again, yellow, dark blue, now dots. I'll show you how to make dot with the brush. Take the paint in your brush and just keep it vertical. Your paint should not be watery. I have made light purple color, and let me try how is it. I'm taking the brush back side, immerse in the paint, and I'll make a bigger dot here. Again this green color. I'm using this blue color. This is 6 number brush. This is indigo blue. अब आप बिल्कुल सबसे पतला ब्रश लीजिए, आपके पास जो भी है, और उससे इस ग्रीन कलर के ऊपर हम रेड कलर से आउटलाइन दे रहे हैं। ये रेड कलर है और ये जो ग्रीन हमें दिख रहा है, और अब हम यहाँ इसके ऊपर छोटा डॉट दे रहे हैं। अब हम ब्रश को साफ करेंगे और ये डार्क पिंक कलर ले रहे हैं। तो ये जो बीच की जगह है ना, इसमें हम एक पत्ती बना रहे हैं। पहला डॉट आप यहाँ बनाइए, फिर आमने सामने बनाइए, उससे गलती होने के चांसेस थोड़े कम होते हैं, नंबर भी बराबर आ जाता है। ये सेंटर वाला डॉट ब्लू कलर का है। Now next circle as blue and white dots. तो पहले ब्लू ही बना लेते हैं, ब्लू कलर है। मुझे अभी यहाँ डिजाइन बनाना है। अभी मैं ग्रीन कलर ले रही हूँ और ग्रीन के ये डॉट्स भी बना रही हूँ ब्रश से। और अब इसमें हम ब्लू कलर से आउटलाइन दे रहे हैं। तो फिर से वही 000 ब्रश है। बहुत कम पेंट लीजिएगा ब्रश में और फिर इसके ऊपर बहुत ही संभाल के हमें करना है। इसमें हम 5 डॉट्स दे रहे हैं। ये जो हमारे येलो कलर के एजेस हैं, इसमें हम डायमंड बनाने जा रहे हैं। जब हमारा ये डायमंड सूख जाएगा, तब हम इसमें एक सेंटर में डॉट दे रहे हैं और 1 2 3 4।
I hope you liked the tutorial. Thank you for liking, subscribing and sharing Mandala's art. Dhanyavad. Namaste.